This right here is some Italian turkey sausage and some ground beef. Just hit it with a little bit of onion, and this is gonna be going for these great Guy-talian Nachos. Let the meat kind of cook down, get nice and brown, a little crisp to it. Just gonna hit a pinch of some garlic. I'm not worried about the garlic burning right now because there's so much moisture in the pan. I'm gonna let this turn the heat down a bit. These are gonna be topped on top of some great Italian nachos. And speaking of great Italian nachos, I need to work on the salsa for that. Capers and Peppadews. You know, I love the Peppadew. And this kind of sweet, a little bit of heat, but it's gonna be a great basis for this. So some tomatoes, some onions, all gonna go together to make this great Italian salsa. Go ahead and dice these up. Peppadews in the bowl. And to really give this Italian salsa its own little kick, just a touch of that great Peppadew liquor that's in there. Next up, tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes, but it is a salsa. Chop those capers up so they're not little briny buds that scare somebody when they get a bite. Next, red onion. And now some parsley. Parsley's done. Okay. A lot of chopping here on Big Bite, I know, but it always makes it worth it. And this going on top of the nachos is gonna be dynamite. Okay, a little more garlic, some salt, fresh cracked pepper, and let's give this a little mix. And a little olive oil on top of that. Not too much, but wow, look at that. Now I'm gonna get into doing some of the, well, it looks like some chips for the nachos here. These are wonton skins. So drop them into the oil, separating them a little bit. Don't wanna put 2 or 3 at the same time. Let's get a few of those in. It's the layers that really make this work. You know, it's not just put down a bunch of chips and clump everything on top. Take the time, stack the chips nicely, get the meat on there evenly, and these are really gonna come out great. So when people grab them, they get one that really has kind of everything to it. All right, these bad boys into the broiler. Now, keep an eye on them because those skins have already been fried. They can go really fast. Oh, looks dynamite. Sprinkle that on the top. Then, like you do in Italian style, gotta have some salami. Say julienned up some salami, some green onions, some nice color in there. Of course, some basil, a little Italian parsley, and for some of that fresh bite, how about a little bit of pepperoncini that's diced up? Oh, excellent.